Hello, my most amazing art students. How are you today? I've got a little project for you, how to make these tiny little one-page books. So if you wanted to do your drawing a day challenge in here, you could make a bunch of them and you could do a drawing on each page. These are pre-printed ones that I attached for you if you want to try one with designs on it, but you could easily just do it with a blank sheet of paper. So all you need is a blank sheet of paper and a pair of scissors. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper in half the long way. So match up your corners carefully. Make a nice crease. Okay? And then you're going to fold your paper in half the other way. And in half the other way again. So you'll get a small rectangle. Take a minute to just kind of crisp up those folds. And then when you open it up, you're going to fold it back in half. You should have 8 rectangles. You're going to fold it back in half like you were making a card, right on that same fold. And if you look, now I have 4 rectangles. And this is where it can get tricky. So on the side that has the fold, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut right on that folded line, right on one of the rectangles. So you're just cutting on that one rectangle line and stopping. And then when you open it up, you're going to fold it in half, the tall, long skinny way. And you can see there's like a square in the middle. If I just push this together and flatten it, make my creases, and then fold it in half again, that gives you your pages. So now I can open up my pages of my book. And if you want, you can use this and draw an object every day on a page, and then you can make more and have a whole collection. Or it's fun for little stories, little comics. Like I said, there's some printables if you have access to a printer. And you can do this with any size piece of paper. So have fun with your drawings, and if you want to give this a try, let me know. If you do it, take a picture and post it in the comments. Thanks.